heart kids. Just joke, I have 3 hearts. Our distractor died. Our distractor died. Lucky me. Alright, let's go. Oh, shapes. Oh, shapes. Give me the shapes. Not yours. You're the one who killed the distractor. Yeah, he will come here. Oh! Cosmo was one of them? Casma. It's probably theory. I'm freaking get out of the server. Oh. Oh, someone died. Look at it. Yeah, Papi, that is not Papi. That is here. Not Cindy. I think it's the one. You're not sorry for that. Wow. Did suck? Oh, Buxton died. No, Buxton died. Hello? Was the other thing doing anything? Yeah, someone. I think someone opened the eye Roger resting. This way it becomes slow.
Conducted a qualitative research about this, and ayun po, nalaman po namin na marami po pala kami na nagsustruggle kapag po mataas talaga yung panghipo ng corpo, yung ammonia po.
Hello.
Nakakapag-create po siya sa mga students na maging nauseous sila, tapos yung hindi na rin pag the comfort room should leave by po na nagsiserve po ng comfort sa mga
Finish one. You need to die. You're the one who killed our boss. Oh, that's not her. That's her.
So, una natin makikita dito, yung gas sensor. Siya yung nagde-detect ng level ng ammonia sa hangin. Tapos, kapag masyadong mataas, pagiging ang pag-iisip ng 30 ppm, yung ammonia, yung pinapadala ito ang ating motor, servo motor.
Where's the other one?
Sa ating humidifier. Meron din siyang sensor para ma-determine yung temperature, humidity. Additionally, kapag ako nag-exceed ng 30 ppm, yung ammonia level sa CR, bukod dun sa kung paano may papadala niya
I hate you.
motor, gamit ang teknolohiyang ito,
I hate you. Okay, let's go.
para sa GMA Integrated
Okay guys, don't listen to that.
Mabilis na tumaas ang bakal. Napumunta lang sa mga sila naman ang inatira ng tulong ng GMA Kapuso Foundation.
Migika. Oh my gosh. Flutter.
Kalat pa rin yung mga puso at makakapal na po sa daanan dulot ang kanilang landslide. Isa sa ang sino sa tugas sa barangay Norcia kung saan umabot ang
Need to
hanggang
die.
dibdib
Oh,
ang
okay.
mga dahil
You became the distractor.
na may mga
Oh,
kasamang kahoy
bye-bye.
inanod ang ilang kabahayan kabilang na ang hirap
killed Poppy. You're the one who killed Poppy. Oh, let's make a next.
Ito po yung bridge namin. So, sa may circle natin, mahirap po yung food.
Nagtungo naman tayo sa bayan ng Cortez para maghatid ng mga food. Ang 36th Infantry Battalion ng Philippine Army.
Para magbigay ng transportation assistance, security, and then
Oh! Wrong turn!
services.
No!
Relief
No, I
goods.
became a disruptor. I become a disruptor. I become a disruptor. I become a disruptor and I'm not going to him. Yeah. I became the disruptor. Oh, God. Let's go in here. No way. No, we're stuck. Right, I haven't done. Oh, no. It's my time to die. Oh, fuck. Nope. 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 Did the air kill me? Did the air kill me? You can do that yourself. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.